If you want to set up an alarm clock on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then in that case, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer and then find the clock app. In my case, it is over here, so let's open it. Now at the bottom, we can switch to alarm, and you might be able to find an example alarm already created, so you can use it if you want to. You can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on or off. You can also tap on the alarm in order to customize it. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. We can change when the alarm should go off. We can make the alarm go off in selected days of the week. We can set up the name, change the sound, adjust vibration, and so on and so forth. But if you want to create your own alarm, then what you need to do is you need to simply press this plus button that we have on the right side over here. And then we can find pretty much the same settings as before, but you will just create a new alarm. So it looks like this. And it will be automatically enabled if you add it. But of course, we can just turn it on or off. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.